and unboxing coming up next. Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark with GeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video. This time around, it's an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a long time, but this is something really extra special. Met a gentleman on Facebook named Evan Rosenthal, and he's a potter. He does pottery, and he made a number of shaving bowls, and he put them up on eBay for sale on his eBay store. And I saw one, and I thought, I'm gonna buy that one. It was only $10 and another $9.5 to ship. So I thought it was a really good deal. So let's get to this and let's see what I've got. Very good job of packing this up and protecting it. Look at that. Great box, one wrapper, one cushion wrapper, and another one. Alrighty. And more bubble wrap. That's okay, that's fine. Here it is. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And he sent me a feather razor blade. How about that? And here's his contact information, folks. Get a screenshot of that if you want one of these. This is absolutely beautiful, handmade by Evan Rosenthal. Here, let me put this down, put that there so you can get a screenshot of it, okay? Okay, there you go. Evan Rosenthal, fine and functional art. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. I like this right here. That's got a nice little touch, knowing that it's handmade. Right there, right here. You know it's handmade. Fits nicely in the hand. This is going to be wonderful. Oh man, this is like, hang on. let me get a brush and see how it fits. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I got some brushes. Let's just take a look. Wow, this is nice. Okay, here's my Vikings blade, White Knight. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's going to fit nicely in there. No clanging or anything. Look at that. Has a great, nice feel. Fits right into the hand very nicely. It has all these nice ridges in there to whip up a lather. Here's my Simpson T3 Trafalgar brush. That's nice too. That's fitting in there nicely. My Atomic Rocket from Phoenix Shaving. Yeah, that's gonna work really well. How about my Solar Flare? It's a little smaller. Okay. Nice. That's gonna work well too. Here is my Fire Mare from Vikings Blade. Wow, that's a perfect fit. That's really nice. Wow, very nice. And finally, here's my Peregrino. I got others. That's nice too. Nice. That's just terrific. Boy, that's, like I say, it's got these really nice ridges in there. Not too much. More on the bottom than there are on the side. It feels a little rougher on the bottom than it does on the side, but there is still some resistance there to create some friction. And you can see it's handmade, and he signed it right there. Can you see that? Evan, 2020. How cool is that? Get a look at that. Get a shot of that. Evan, 2020. See that? Can you see that? That's fantastic. I love this. I absolutely love this. That's really nice. And again, you have these marks right here, but that tells me that it's handmade. And wow, I think for 10 bucks and shipping, this was a really nice purchase. Really nice. So thank you, Evan. I'm really looking forward to trying this. So that's it. That's a beautiful shaving bowl from Evan Rosenthal. I'll have a link to his eBay store if you're interested. He also sells some larger shaving bowls with handles, that sort of thing. But this is something that I was looking for. I thought this would be the perfect size. And it really very nice and very unique. A unique item, one of a kind item. You're not going to duplicate this at all. So I think that's really very neat. So thanks again to Evan Rosenthal. I'll have links to his eBay store and also links to his Facebook page if you want to get in touch with him. And that's it. Thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Please share, please subscribe, please like. Thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, Evan Rosenthal. This is really nice. This is going to be something that I'll hand down to my heirs. Thank you very much. I'll see you again real soon.